Hey, yo, let me ask you a question. Do you want to be rich or do you want to be right? People always talk about the rich get rich and the poor get poor. But the only reason that the rich get rich is because the rich will take advantage of opportunities when they see them. I had absolutely no idea about an automated online business until I plugged into my rich mentor who asked me, do I want to be rich or do I want to be right? And when I told her I want to be rich, she gave me the steps that I needed to follow to go ahead and produce income like this for myself in my sleep. Now I'm able to make $300, $600, $900 deposits every single day, all from following this simple system, which has allowed me not to have to worry about living paycheck to paycheck, being overworked, underpaid, and not have to go back to America. And I can continue to live my life out here abroad and travel and do what it is that I absolutely love to do. So if you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, if you tired of a boss telling you what to do, when to do, how to do it, and you ready to start being rich and you ain't worried about being right, drop me a one. I would absolutely love to give you some information on this program that is completely changing my life. And remember, things will never change if you never change. Peace, love, and positive vibes. You be great.